to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny.
Alright, so I'm going to choose yourself.
Markham Challengers.
Markham, okay. So this is Group A, Team 2?
Yep.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, yourself.
Saga King. Alright.
ये है Group
A, Team 1.
Team 1.
Did I not choose that? Yourself.
They're there.
Okay, yes. Royal Brampton? Okay. So this one is Group B, Team 1.
Group B, Team 1.
Our team name is Royal Brampton Panthers, and we are just gonna beat them just because of the color they choose.
Okay, so who's left?
I think the one team is from here.
Okay.
The other team would be mine.
Okay.
So I will just put one.
Yeah, so this one is Mudassir. So what's the name of his team? Okay. Oakville Unbeatable.
Right. Okay, so these are the groups. So Group A, Team 1, Mississauga Kings. Team 2, Markham Challengers. Team 3, Waterloo Strikers. And Team Canada 1 represented by Shazab. Okay? So we are documented now, right? It's official.
Okay. So Group B, we have Team 1 Brampton. What's the complete name? Royal Bramptons. And then Team 2, we have Toronto MVP. Team 3, Oakville Unbeatable. And Team 4, Team Makbula. So now groups are decided.
I would like to introduce our sponsors, Mr. Ali Makbul and Nasir, who are very, very efficient, have been efficient and one of the prompt sponsors in terms of responding everything, and very, very vigilant in terms of responding our designing materials and everything. We'd like to thank you very much about it. And we'd like to introduce you Mr. Mubashir. He is going to be the official umpire for the whole tournament. So he's your man to be proud of, man. He's going to be the main one. So
And we have no influence on him. So
Standing over here.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, so this is another concept that we're bringing. That we last tournament we conducted, we brought like professional umpires. This time we're bringing professional umpires, so it will be as neutral as is possible. And another good part is the scoring will be on the app. So and it will be announced every hour, every ball. So we would like to have a commentary in place. So the score and the ball will be announced at every ball. So there will be no miscommunication.
And if you guys are wondering why he's wearing green shirt, because he's a part of the management. Not in our team, but he's a part of our management team too. Okay? No access.
No access score.
We don't know.
Actually,
on the ground, we don't
I would
know.
like to share one incident. What happened in the last tournament that we conducted. So we were playing this final, and somehow we miscalculation the players. It was not deliberate, trust me. But umpire called out that this guy cannot play because you have not given the name. So that happened to our team. So it will be that transparent.
Thank you very much, guys. And
I think what we can do now, we can introduce our sponsor. They would share some words with us.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for inviting us. Absolutely feel proud to be a sponsor for the very first event, the inaugural GTA tournament. I see a lot of inspired faces who are looking to win. We love the colors, especially Makbul Law. So I'm representing Makbul Law, and I hope the team does well, but I wish each and every single one of you success. I hope you guys have fun, make it a really good event, and I'm really hoping that this event will take off, and with coming future events, we make it bigger, grander, and we have your support, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All the best.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Yasser Bhai and team for this event. Very, very excited, and I have a big passion for cricket. You'll see my name on the jersey. I will get you mortgage. That's my company, and my motto is I'll get you cricket in the city as well. Okay.
Wow.
Cool. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, the owner of Continental Buffet. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Definitely.
Assalamu alaikum. Once again, Yasser and on behalf of Continental, and there was a great job was done by Yasser and his team, mashallah. So what we are looking is excellent work for Canada, and this is the first time I ever seen for all this, their utmost hard work is paying off.
Yes.
We've been here long enough, but so seriously, people comes and goes like a bubble, but Yasser, you stick around, and mashallah, and all prayers to with him. And they are growing, actually, in the youth, the Canadian borns. I mean, there's a lot of Canadian borns. They have the interest in a cricket team, and excellent job. Yeah, that's great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amna. Okay, and wish you all the best, upcoming events. All right.
Perfect. Thank you.
I am not a cricketer but a cricket lover. जब यासिर ने मुझे बताया कि जी ये काम कर रहे हैं तो without any condition I agreed, and my whole team will be there for covering this amazing event. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे क्रिकेट और म्यूजिक के जरिए हम जो सारी कम्युनिटीज हैं वो हम इकट्ठे हो सकते हैं। ये दो चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जिस पे हम राहत फ़तेह अली खान का शो हो या शंकर एहसान लॉय का शो हो या कोई बॉलीवुड से आया हो या आतिफ असलम हो या क्रिकेट हो, उसमें शाहिद अफरीदी हो या हमारे इंडियन क्रिकेट के कोई सुपरस्टार हो, कोहली हो, तो दिल में ये नहीं होता कि हम किस कंट्री के हैं। हमारा होता है यार ये क्रिकेटर है, ये कोई हमारा अपना है, ये हमारा अपना सिंगर है। तो ये क्रिकेट और म्यूज़िक दो ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिससे हम एक टेबल पे बैठे हुए हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह कैनेडा वन टेलीविज़न ये भी प्रोग्राम जो है ये यासिर और उनकी टीम को हम बताएंगे। कैनेडा वन टीवी जो ऑल IPTVs पे है उस पे भी होगा, पूरी कवरेज होगी इंशाल्लाह, और हम आपके साथ खड़े होंगे। बैट तो हमारे हाथ में नहीं होगा, लेकिन कैमरा जो है ना वो बॉलिंग करवा रहा होगा। हाँ इंशाल्लाह। और बेस्ट विशेस फॉर ऑल टीम्स, स्पेशली कैनेडा वन टीम। Thank you.
So I'll be doing the coverage as well for the tournament, and I would like to wish Yasser and Shahzad and everybody else all the very best for this, because in लोगों ने इतने प्यार से मुझे बुलाया, and I would love to be a part of this, and just play very well, and all the very best for that. Okay, and you have my support. So all my followers on like Amna Shah Toronto on Facebook, they're following you. So great.
Last year I have officiated like in the tournament Yasir Bhai for indoor as well, and my other credentials are like I have been doing my umpiring for Middlesex Championship League in London, UK. I have been officiating their matches for like last 2 years, and then I have been an official umpire for University of West London as well. So I have done my level 2 umpiring course from London, UK. So that's it. And
All right, so we have another team here that's going to be participating at the YMS tournament. Apna naam बताएं, and what are you looking forward to at the tournament?
Jimmy, we are going to be representing Royal Brampton Panthers. This is my friend Archie.
My name is Harshidu, and we, like he said, we are representing Royal Brampton Panthers. So we have never played table before, but we are the winners of the hardball cricket. So we are looking forward to be the winners of this tournament as well.
In hard tennis ball, we are undefeated for this year. We recently won a Premier League. That's more the Indian side of the tournament, but it's very good that the organizer are bringing together Indian players, Pakistani players, and players from all over the South Asian community. And we are looking forward for the tournament, and good luck to all the teams.
Well, yeah, good luck. We'll see you on September 1st and 2nd. All right, great. So we have one of the teams here for the YMS League, and they're going to tell us the name of the team as well, and the color of the shirts that you guys are going to be wearing, as well as what are you looking forward to at the tournament. Starting with you.
So my name is Jaskaran Singh, and we are representing Toronto MVPS, and this is yellow is our color. We're going with and it looks like a very exciting tournament, and everything looks organized, and I'm really looking forward to have fun, the best, enjoying that's the main thing. Yeah.
Yeah, so my name is Shwet, again Toronto MVPs. We are looking forward to, of course, for exciting cricket. I know it's going to be very competitive. Team's been playing great. Table since many years here. Seems like very organized though, so hopefully it will be amazing. Tournament, turnaround will be great. Looking forward for not only this year, next few years as well.
Okay, perfect.
Cheers.
Great. So, and we look forward to seeing you on September 1st and 2nd.
Yes, we'll be there for sure.
Wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much. Okay. मेरे साथ हैं one of the organizers for the event, and his name is Shahzad. We would like to welcome you. Assalamu alaikum, and thank you so much for having us here at the press conference. And इस experience के बारे में बताएं, and ये table पहली दफा आपने organize किया ऐसे event, तो इसके बारे में please हमें बताएं.
जी, we are very excited. So as I mentioned in the introduction as well, that we are playing table ball for last 10-12 years, but this is the first time. What we have observed that the table ball is, there's a passion, there's excitement, but it's not organized. So what we are doing is our motive, that bringing fun and organization together. Perfect. So, and this is the first time we are organizing this tournament at a large scale, properly organized by having a professional umpires, with all the banners in place on the boundary. Feel like that you're playing like a actual in the ground. So it will be, looking forward for all the excitement and fun.
Okay, well, wish you all the very best. And it's happening September 1st and 2nd, so don't miss out. And अपना आपका कोई Facebook page है जहाँ आपके followers आपको देख भी सकते हैं, or if they want to join.
Yeah, so we do have our club page, YMS Cricket Club. So YMS Cricket Club, and it's written on this banner as well. So please go there and like this page.
Like this page, and if you want to sign up, contact them. Thank you so much. Okay, wish you all the best. मेरे साथ हैं ऑर्गेनाइजर जो टेप बॉल पहले दफ़ा कर रहे हैं, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. एंड आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस था, सो दिस इज़ यासिर माजिद जी. कैसे हैं आप? बिल्कुल ठीक. आप इस टूर्नामेंट के बारे में बताएं.
First of all, thank you, Amna, for coming all the way and supporting us for this tournament. It's been really pleasant for you to invite you here, and आपने जिस तरीके से coverage दी है अभी तक, माशाल्लाह, it's been really amazing, and we look forward for you for the next week as well. Tournament basically, इंशाल्लाह, ये 2 दिन चलेगा. Next week जो है, हमें माशाल्लाह से हमने इस इवेंट का मकसद ये था कि सारे स्पॉन्सर्स को बुलाया जाए, टीम्स को बुलाया जाए, सामने ट्रांसपेरेंट ड्रॉज कराए जाएँ, जो माशाल्लाह से सब टीम बच्चे बड़ी एक्साइटेड भी थी. और इस टूर्नामेंट की खास बात यह है कि ये सिटी बेस्ड टूर्नामेंट है अनऑफिशियली, जिसमें हम बेसिकली ब्रैम्पटन वर्सेस मिसिसागा, ओकविल वर्सेस स्कार्बरो, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विल बी हैपनिंग. सो इट्स गोना बी वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर एवरी पर्सन हु इज बेसिकली कमिंग एंड सपोर्टिंग देयर सिटी. सो इंशाल्लाह वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि ये 2 इवेंट जो है वो सबको याद गए, और होपफुली दिस इज लास्ट लॉन्ग वीकेंड ऑफ दिस समर. सो वी मेकिंग.
And what team are you representing?
I'm representing Team Makbul Law. So it's basically, you always have to be like, yeah. You always have to be, yeah. I mean, सारी टीमें जो है माशाल्लाह काफी strong है अपनी end पे, and let's see, लेकिन it's on a given day who is stronger. Let's see who will happen. And I'm gonna see that who कौन सी टीम हमारे पास आती है. We are gonna lift the cup.
September 1st and September 2nd.
Exactly. September 2nd को grand final है, and we're gonna see you guys on September 2nd.
Great.
For the finals.
Thank you so much. We wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Amna Shah once again, और हम लोग अभी आए हुए हैं कॉन्टिनेंटल बफे रेस्टोरेंट, एंड यहाँ का प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, एंड मेरे साथ हैं मुबशर, एंड ही इज द अंपायर. सो ही विल जस्ट लाइक टू शेयर सम थॉट्स अबाउट द टूर्नामेंट दैट्स कमिंग अप.
Yeah, so last year I have been officiating Yasir Bhai's tournament, which was an indoor tournament as well. And this year he just called me to officiate his next tournament, which is outdoor. And I think it's a brilliant tournament to start with. And I have been officiating many tournaments, but I haven't seen this sort of environment, this sort of management and dedication. And the press conference, the opening ceremony, and it's quite brilliant. I haven't seen this like in my whole career, because I have been doing umpiring in London, UK for Middlesex Championship League. I have done umpiring there for 2 years.
Wow.
And then I have been official umpire for University of West London. So I have covered like many leagues and many tournaments officially as well.
Right.
But I haven't seen anything like this. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
so
brilliant. Yeah.
This sets apart from a lot of other.
Yeah, it's brilliant. And apart from like, I have done all the hardball cricket and tournaments, but it's the first time I'm doing the tape ball one, but I haven't seen something like this, that there's so much energy, so much dedication, and so much resources to put in the table tournament. It's amazing.
Right, and this is the first time जैसे आपने कहा और dates बता दें. We will be seeing you September 1st and 2nd.
Yeah, so you guys, so there are 8 teams are playing from all over GTA, and the dates are 1st and 2nd of September. And I wish you all the teams best of luck, and I wish that everyone should watch Amna Shah's transmission as well, and do follow her on her Facebook page.
Thank you so much for that, and we wish you all the best. We'll see you on September 1st and 2nd. Thanks a lot.